Which graph represents the following system of quadratic inequalities? Okay, so for this one, the first thing we can see is that there is a negative coefficient on the second parabola there. So that means that the first one's going to be opening up and the second one's going to be opening down in some sort of shape like this. Next up, we have our x-intercepts. So here, let me just first say open up, opens down. Okay. Next, our intercepts for this one, we'll have +4, -1. And for our second one here, we have +9, -8. Okay, so let's go ahead and write or draw our graph here. And essentially, when you're looking through the multiple choice questions on this one, we don't really have to worry so much about drawing this graph perfectly. In fact, we don't even have to draw it. I'm just drawing it to demonstrate. You can basically just look through the graphs and find the one that satisfies all these conditions, where we have a graph that opens up and has these intercepts, and a graph that opens down and has these intercepts. It'll be pretty clear just looking through the options, but I'll draw it out here just so you can get an idea. So let's see here. We have one at 4 and at -1, and that one is opening up. So it might be something like this. And sorry, this is actually a dotted line one because we are not using a equals to. All right, so that's our first one. And then our second one is going to be wider, and that's going to be kind of way over here at 9 and way over here at -8. And this is also a dotted line. Okay, so we're essentially going to have two graphs like that. Now, if we take a look at our orientation of our signs here, we'll see that for this one, we're going to want to shade below the parabola, and so that's this parabola here. So we want it for this one, we want to shade below the parabola, and then for our one that opens down, we're also going to want to shade now above the parabola because now we have y greater than the parabola. So we're going to have, we're going to shade on the top. Okay, I know it's a super rough drawing, but hopefully it gives you a good idea, and then you can find the correct answer on the multiple choice. Okay, so that's all for this one. I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye.